Hello, welcome to stage 4 of the 4-stage seeing practice. You've rested in front of a scene and now you're going to create a photograph. I tend to use the term create rather than take because that's what it is. It's an act of creation. And you are going to make choices now about how that is going to work. First thing you're going to do is you bring the camera up. So you're going to place the frame somewhere around that scene in front of you. Now, that is what makes and breaks the photograph. Where you place the frame. You need to notice what's in and what's out of the frame. Look around the edges. You need to think about your point of view. We tend to take our photographs from 5 foot, roughly, but perhaps this particular scene in front of you would benefit from a different point of view, something lower, something higher. Do you need to move right? Do you need to move left? And if you're using a 50mm lens, as I've suggested, do you need to move any closer or further away? So all of that movement passes through your mind, and then you bring the camera up. In a moment, you press the shutter and you move on back to stage 2 of the seeing practice. So some people ask me, what is the length of time between seeing a photograph and creating it? Well, the answer is that all depends. Sometimes that seeing, resting and creating all happens quite instinctively and quickly. Sometimes you rest there and you're really not sure. You know what stopped you, but something isn't quite right. Something doesn't quite resonate. And maybe it's in that moment that you need to move around, decide how you're framing. And maybe not even create the photograph, but stop and go back to stage 2. Okay, so those are the 4 stages: anchor, seeing, resting and creating. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about you applying those to a situation. The project is called In a Small Space. That's what you need to find. Somewhere interesting to create your photos. And there you are going to follow a very interesting mindful photography practice whilst you use the 4-stage seeing practice. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.